Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine and well. In today's English class, we'll do the chapter 2.2 Nature created man and woman as equal. In this chapter, we are going to study about the equality for man and woman. You all know countries like India, traditional, cultural, we maintain this, our tradition, our culture, and all. At the same time, with the superior qualities of our tradition and culture, we are having some inferior points also. With superiority, we have some inferiorities. In India, you have seen now, at present, let us start from our family only. In your family, in my family, in all other people's family, who is the important person? Mother, father, brother, or sister? All are important, isn't it? We all are important to each other. When we all are together, then only it is called family. When we all work together, when we all work for each other, when we sacrifice for each other, then only it is called family. And among all these persons in our family, mother is the most important, we say, because if mother is angry, then no food, isn't it? Mother is angry, no food. But father is angry, okay, let it be, just दो बात सुना देंगे, डांट देंगे, एक थप्पड़ मार देंगे, हो जाएगा. लेकिन मम्मी को गुस्सा आने नहीं देना है, बिकॉज इफ मम्मी इज एंग्री देन नो फूड, नो प्रॉपर means everything whatever we need will not get anything on proper place, on proper time, all these things. Why? Because mother takes care of us. Mother take care of us कि मम्मी खाना बनाएगी, मम्मी सब करेगी, मम्मी हमारी देखभाल करेगी. Is it so? No. Why only mother? Even father. But in our country, most of the family, father doesn't care. He says that mother is there not to look after, she will do it. Her work is to be at home and look after the children. Nowadays, mothers, they take care of their family also, and they also go for work also to earn money. Both the things. Something is like that. This nature created man and woman as equal. In this, we are going to study. If father and mother, both of them, takes equal, means what you say, distribute work, responsibilities equally, then we are happy. We all will be happy. When mother is also happy, father is also happy. दिस नहीं कि मम्मी बाहर काम पर भी जाएगी, वर्क में भी जाएगी और घर में भी खाना वाना भी बनाएगी. अगर मम्मी थक गई है तो भी उनको आकर सब घर का काम करना पड़ता है. बट many families are there where father also work at home, thinking that when she can help me in earning money, why don't I do the work at home? After coming from office, even he, means both mother and father, both of them distribute household work and do the family work equally. Father does not feel any inferior quality or inferiority working at home. Even mother does not feel anything. Mother feels happy to work with father at home. So here in this chapter we are going to study the same thing. So when father can work outside also, and he can help his wife at home also, that is your mother at home also. At the same time a mother can work at home also, and she can help in by bringing money or earning for the family. The same way even brother and sister. In many families we see that boys are pampered a lot, isn't it? Pampered matlab lad. Pampered, but girls are not that much pampered. Girls are forced to do their household work, whereas leaving their studies, homework and all, first they have to do the household work. But boys are not forced that much. This should not happen, isn't it? I know in your family it does not happen. Boys are also working at home. Boys are also helping their mother. With the same time their sisters, yani ki girls, are also helping their mother. If girl can cook, why not a boy? If girl can wash utensils, why not a boy? When boy is studying, his sister will work at home, that is help her mother by washing utensils, clothes, keeping the house proper, things on proper place. Because brother is studying, we should not disturb brother. At the same time when sister is studying, brother will also think that no, I will go and help mother in her kitchen work, and keeping the house clean and all. Even brother can work. So this gender equality is shown in nowadays period, but in then also many houses even now there is gender inequality. In previous days, means few years back, still few years back, now we don't find that much. Few years back also we used to find that in villages, in cities or many families, when a girl child is born, the family is not at all happy. They feel if girl child is born, then it is burden. She is burden for the family. So now the science and technology, with the help of science and technology, before taking birth we are coming to know that in mother's womb there is girl child or boy child. People used to kill if they find girl child is there in mother's womb, and they welcome boy child. But nowadays many rules came out that it is illegal, and all rules and law regulations have come. If this thing happens, they are arrested and put in the jail. So in this lesson, here a family, Ashangbi and her 3 children, in that 2 daughters and a son, with her husband Tomba, and the girl is Lantoi. Lantoi is the youngest daughter of Asangbi. Sorry. She is the youngest daughter of Asangbi. She is going to give speech at her school, for which she want to discuss some points regarding the topic with her mother, and she is discussing. What is that topic? God created men and women as equals, and she discussed about that topic with her mother. Her mother is a journalist. She was writing something, journalist, and she was preparing some report or article, and her father was is a lawyer and a social worker. Mother, by giving the example of her father, she explains the gender equality to her daughter Lanthui. What she explains? She says that her father never discriminated between man, girl or boy. He always feel proud of his wife and his two daughters and son. He also always help his wife and children during their needs, whenever they are in need of his help. He never discriminated between boy and girl, and also never discriminated between that this is ladies work or this is not my work. He always he helped his wife in all household work like cleaning, washing, cooking, feeding the children and all. Whenever her mother is in work, whenever her mother is busy, he helped her. He never said that you, after doing her work, she must do household work. If she is unable to do the work, he used to help. And he always wholeheartedly he used to believe that everywhere both the genders are equal. He never believed difference between class, religion or gender. He always used to say that both together can bring the family, move the family properly with love and peace. Now, Asangbi knows everything about men and women and their equality from her own, by the example of her, taking the example of her own parents. She understands everything, and she says that my home is filled with full of love. Mother also smiles. Next, Asangbi asks that ये तो हमारे घर की बात है, क्या हर घर में ऐसा ही होता है? Then her mother explains, no. अभी तक सब घर में ऐसा नहीं होता है. There are many people who still believe that girls are inferior and boys are superior. Boys brings the, what you say, that Kul Deepak. They are Kul Deepak, यानी के they carry the name of their family, but girls not. And in countries like India, people think that girl belongs to some other family. Girl child is born for some other family. She is getting married and going to others' family, and she'll work for them, not for them. And while getting married, so much of expenditures happens, isn't it? शादी में जो खर्चा होता है, then dowry, all these things, and taking care of her life, all these responsibilities come. That's why they don't want girl child. They make the girl to work at home only. They don't think that education is important for girl child. So Asangbi says, Asangbi asks that, is there any legal provisions to enable women to express their physical and mental potential? यानी कि कोई लीगल प्रोविजंस है क्या कि ये गर्ल्स या वुमेन जो टॉर्चर्ड होते हैं उनके लिए उनको बचाने के लिए. Then Ashangbi adds all those rules and regulation and provisions which are declared by United Nations in this world. What are those points? It's given here. See page number 33. Equally access to basic social services including health and education. Boy हो या गर्ल. इक्वली एक्सेस टू बेसिक सोशल सर्विस. हर सोशल सर्विस दोनों को मिलना चाहिए, जैसे हेल्थ, एजुकेशन एंड ऑल. इक्वल पार्टिसिपेशन इन पॉलिटिकल एंड इकोनॉमिक डिसीजन मेकिंग. हर पॉलिटिकल हो या इकोनॉमिक हो या एनीथिंग, at home, outside, in society, wherever, equal participation must be there. Every girl or woman are having right to participate in all these things, that is politics and economics. Equal reward for equal work. Men and women should be paid equally for their equal work. ये नहीं कि वुमेन है इसीलिए उसको कम और मैन है तो उसको ज़्यादा. Whereas both are working in same. Elimination of discrimination and violence against women. ये जो लड़का लड़की वाला भेदभाव है, this should be completely eradicated. These are the some legal provisions which were provided by United Nations. So Lantui understand all these things, whatever her mother told her about the topic, taking the example of their own family, her father, her mother, her brother and sister. She prepares her next day's speech and she is very happy with the points, and she prepared and she takes trial by herself in the room. This is what man and woman as equals. Now children, can you write few lines on the topic equality of genders? Otherwise, no, sorry, you can write on importance of girl child. Importance of girl child. Okay, just you write 10 lines or 10 points on this topic as your homework. Is that clear? And collect some pictures of female personalities, female famous personalities, यानी कि popular personalities, not from films. We don't want film. Okay, for in all other field like sports, politics, science, then space. From this, okay, you will collect some names of female personalities from popular personalities from space field, then science field, sports and all other, economics, politics, but not from films. In films you will get it, but I don't want personalities from films. All other parts you can take, all other field you can take. Okay, so write few names of female personalities, famous personalities, and write 20 lines on the importance of girl child. Okay, till today we'll stop here with this. Have a nice day and stay home and take care. Bye.